Hey guys, I'm sure some of you have missed me. I've missed you guys a lot. It's been almost 3 months now without me posting any content on YouTube, and I want to explain to you guys and tell you why, and also give you some of the updates that I know most of you have been waiting. By the way, if you are going to watch this video, just make sure that you like, and if it's your first time watching my videos, please subscribe and leave a comment. It helps a lot. If you are a content creator outside there, you know how those things helps like a lot. So instead of just watching my videos and all that, leave a comment, give it a thumbs up, or share the videos so that they can get to more people outside there. Again, for those ones who don't know me, I am AtitaFitness. I make fitness content, traveling, doing challenges outside there. But in the last few months, I haven't been creating content. So driving from Oregon to Colorado, it was supposed to be 20 hours drive, but it ended up being almost like a 2 days trip. I underestimated how far Colorado is from Oregon because I was thinking maybe it's gonna be like a 1 day short. But driving in the desert for 10 hours without seeing anything, it was a long trip. I was with my friend Ryrie. If you're watching this video, thank you so much. You helped me a lot. I wasn't going to do all that happened without you. So thank you so much. The trip was intense. We ended up going through Nevada and then Utah and then Colorado. So those two places we ended up spending a night. Nevada was really good, but just for a day. I didn't like it that much because of a lot of gambling and all that. You just go to a hotel and there's gambling machines, those slot machines, which we tried. You know, you wanna have some experiences. We tried and we lost some money. And then we went to Utah. Utah was amazing. We went to the Arches, which was great, the Red Logs and all that. We had an amazing experience. You guys are going to see some of our videos just driving through the desert, seeing the Arches. Amazing experience. But for now, just a slow transition as I get to get to know people and all that. And I am excited for this next chapter of my life, and I'm looking forward to creating more content and traveling more and doing more things outside and sharing with you guys about fitness, healthy lifestyle and all that, because that's my life, that's who I am. So I'm back strong. I didn't leave YouTube. I think that's something that I like to create content. If you watch my Instagram, I have been very consistent, at least on Instagram. But I think making longer videos sometimes on YouTube, like it's a lot. It's boring sometimes talking to the camera all the time. I don't know if you guys understand, but like it takes a lot of editing, a lot of putting a lot of clips together. And just doing all these things by yourself, it can be exhausting and discouraging, but I try my best for sure. But I need to bring my consistency from Instagram, AtitaFitness, to YouTube, AtitaFitness. So short videos, I'm really good with that, but long videos, sometimes I'm like, what am I going to talk about and all that? But I have so much to share, but I just feel like thinking about the sitting down and all that takes a long time, but I'm going to get used to it. So guys, if you have been watching my videos and liking my content, please share this video with your friends. Let's grow the audience. My target for this year was at least to hit 50k subscribers. We ended up hitting 10k like 6 months ago. I hope we will continue with that. spilled before the end of the year, and I will be here to support you guys in your fitness journey, your wellness, mental wellness, and also your nutrition.
Is it your first time going to Mount Zion?
It is.
Oh, I'm excited.
First time heading east on all these roads out of Oregon. On our way to Colorado.
Yes.
We're cruise control at 94 miles an hour in the rocket ship.
Yep. How do you like driving on these roads? They're very straight, 70 miles an hour.
There's a speed limit. We try to keep it under 30 miles an hour over the speed limit. Right now we're at about 24, 25, but
over.
Safety first, kids, remember?
Yes.
Do not shift.
I'm so sad because the sky is smoky, like it's very smoky right now. You can't see much outside, and yeah, I guess maybe it's not a good day, or maybe there's fires all over, like, you know, the eastern side of Oregon, because we have been seeing the smoke on the air for how many miles? Like 700?
Yeah, 700.
Yeah,
So we've been seeing it in Oregon, eastern Oregon, and now all the way in Nevada. And we are probably along the eastern border of Nevada, close to Utah.
yes.
So this here, we're in McGill, Nevada. We missed a lot of the dilapidated homes. This is where it really makes you give thanks for what you have and where you live. When you come through communities like this, and we don't know what shuttered it or how long ago it was thriving, but it's got beauty of its own. But like that right there, sewage treatment plant. Not really. Smells like doo-doo.
We are so lucky to live in Oregon, where it's green, there's a lot of lakes. This place looks like it doesn't have any water, like you even wonder where you can go to drink water, because it doesn't look like there's a lake. It's a lot of rocks and all that. Sometimes we are so lucky and we forget about the things that we have around us until you drive out of your comfort zone and then see things and then give grace or thanks to what you have.
Yeah. Driving about 1,120 miles. We are now 2 hours and 25 minutes outside of Arches National Park. We had to scratch Zion. We did not take the Lion to Zion, so Simba is going to the Arches instead.
Zimba.
And yeah. So
How many miles have we been driving so far?
1,119 miles.
Can you imagine? I don't think I can advise anyone to drive to Colorado if it's not, like, you know, needed.
You better be really close to whoever you're driving with.
Yeah.
Because if you're not, you probably get in fist fights and shit, man.
Yeah.
Your wife, if you go, like, if you mess up and think you're going to Zion and then you're about 3 hours out of the way, then you decide you're not, she'll be really mad.
Yeah.
But we didn't get mad, we just got glad.
Oh, like it's part of the adventure. Let's go.
So now we just left Provo, Utah not too long ago, and we are continuing our journey east. We will end up in Denver at some point in time tonight. I don't know exactly what time it desert of Moab.
Yep, we're headed to Moab.
And the driver, man.
I'm still eating healthy here. I have my fruits and all that, but I ate a lot of carbs for the road because I need more energy. Actually, I don't know why I after eating, I just feel like I need to take a nap for like, you know, a few minutes. I don't sleep, but I just keep quiet for like 10-15 minutes and feel like my body is shutting down, and then it picks up. I feel good. Yeah.
It happened to me yesterday, but I napped in the car. I was snoring.
Yeah, you're a snore. You are a snore.
It's just a warning sign.
You're a big radio with bass.
I got that deep drum and bass jungle beats, brah.
Yes, you do.
Right down by the beach.
You do film it here.
Fill your water bottles at the Visitor Center or Devil's Garden Trailhead. Current pass holders and returning visitors should have passes and ID ready. Credit cards are preferred for buying new passes. Inside the park, you can help care for your national park by only parking legally and causing no damage to plants or things.
It is $30 to get in.
Oh, 30?
Yeah. Hi. Good morning. How are you? Good. Looks like we came at the right time. You guys aren't busy today?
We're busier than I thought we'd be for being so hot and smoky.
Okay.
Looking for a vehicle pass?
Yes.
All right, $30.
Okay. Do I need any other passes?
No, this will be good at Arches for 1 week.
Okay.
You want a map?
Yes, please. And I think it's just a drive-through, basically.
Yeah.
Kind of like Glacier National Park in Montana.
Yeah.
I mean, this is nothing. Crater Lake, dude, the fucking line there will sometimes be ridiculous. But I bet this place gets a lot of, you know, you can tell that she was like, oh, thank God you're not hiking. You know how many search and rescues they gotta go on for stupid. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's do
Look
it.
at this.
Oh wow, that's so cool. That's amazing.
Yeah. Amazing. I see what you did there. It's Google-rific.
Ooh, wow. Look at that. Wow.
Dude, that thing's gonna kill somebody.
Those 3 people are married.
That's a throuple. That's a more.
Yeah. That's gonna come down with strong winds, right?
Yeah, I know.
I feel like it's gonna come down at some point.
Oh, at some point, but it's
Yeah.
gonna have to. It's all sandstone, dude. If you would have became a junior park ranger like me, they would have taught you how the arches were formed and the fissures and the fins. And I saw a dinosaur footprint in the visitors. That she's not a Texas Ranger. She's just
Okay.
Where you can either do that or we can go. Canyonlands is up the road, but it's another 42 miles back west.
Okay.
So,
Let me fly the drone.
huh?
I'm
Gonna
going
fly the drone?
Oh, it's updating.
Look at this place, dude. It's amazing.
It is.
You wanna walk down here a little bit?
Yeah. Let me fly the drone there.
Now with that, can you take stills off it too? You can take still pictures off it too? Off the GoPro? That's the pool.
A lot of people just went to the windows.
They're all hiking up there. This is the spot everybody will take pictures of. Wow. Should probably hop out and take a couple photos on.
At the windows?
Yeah. Right now. Yeah? Yeah. No.
Oh, it's not much.
It's all packed. Maybe down here. We can find a parking spot.
Turn around.
I'll take a picture of these ones.
Yeah, that's really cool. Oh, a lot of people are on their way up. Do you wanna go this one or those ones?
These ones look the road less traveled by. I'd say these ones. What do you say?
So thank you guys for watching this video. I love you, and let's keep supporting each other. Bye.